Hey, all you soon-to-be home sellers and borderline home sellers, we're back again to stage 3 of Who Wants to Learn the Ropes to Succeed and Have a Successful Home Sale. Okay, since we're in stage 3 of the Home Sellers Bootcamp mini-series, what is next? Where are we? Well, we are at day 10 to 15 days out. Hey, I'm Annette Marble, and I'm your favorite key real estate agent here and around Columbus, Ohio. All right, what we need to do next is get your home photo and show ready. The windows are washed, the oversized furniture has been moved out of the way, the bookshelves are staged, and it's time for photos. Whoop, 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 whoop. These photos are what most buyers will see before they ever step foot in your home. So think of it like your first showing. What that means is they'll also want to help get your buyers to come into your home, so we need them to be looking awesome. Also, I'll be sharing some of my tips for getting your house photos show ready, so stay tuned for that as well, or check back on another video. All right, since this is the final stretch before the sign goes up, I'll be in regular contact with you and finalizing all the details on how the showings work and how people will be coming and going, and going through all of our marketing plan. Just so that you're aware, we could have an open house, so stay tuned for that as well. And throughout the process, you'll be hearing from me quite a bit. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like a free guide to my Home Sellers Bootcamp e-guide, please reach out by DMing me. And tune in each week for more great tips on buying and selling real estate. If this is the first time to our channel and you want to know everything about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good, the bad, the pros, the cons of living in and around Columbus, Ohio, then you've come to the right place. Please subscribe, tap that bell for notifications so you could be one of the first to know about what's going on in Columbus, Ohio and its surrounding areas. Like my videos and give me a thumbs up. And if you ever need anything, please feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We get emails every day from people just like you looking to make the move to Columbus, Ohio, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're planning on moving in 9 days or 90 days, we are your go-to team to help. And don't forget, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.